Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Cambridge will start tracking Ethereum energy data along with Bitcoin. In an analogy using height for energy consumption, researchers said Ethereum's usage went from the London Eye to a Raspberry after the merge. While crypto moves so quickly that it may feel like forever ago, Ethereum's transition from proof-of-stake to proof-of-work is still spawning fresh research on the energy consumption of blockchain networks, most recently from the University of Cambridge. The Cambridge Centre for Alternative Finance, CCAF, best known for its Bitcoin energy consumption dashboards and research at the Cambridge Judge Business School, unveiled its Cambridge Blockchain Network Sustainability Index, CBNSI, on Wednesday. The tool explores the environmental implications of the merge while comparing Bitcoin to Ethereum, the two largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It also represents the organization's foray into publishing dashboards for proof-of-stake networks. Bitcoin and Ethereum once relied on a proof-of-work mechanism for validating transactions, where computers continuously crunch complex calculations in hopes of winning tokens as a reward. But last summer, Ethereum finally transitioned to proof-of-stake, where transactions are verified by actors that have pledged tokens to a network, often in the form of staking. While the Ethereum Foundation was quick to say the transition made Ethereum 99.95% more energy efficient, according to CCAF research, the energy consumption of Ethereum plummeted by 99.99% after the merge. Using height as an analogy, the research compares the current energy use of Bitcoin to Ethereum, both before and after the merge. If Bitcoin's energy use was represented by Malaysia's Merdeka 118, the second tallest building in the world at 679 meters, Ethereum's pre-merge energy usage would have been the London Eye at 135 meters, around 5 times smaller. To continue the analogy, CCAF writes the post-merge Ethereum network could be represented by a Raspberry, or 1.5 centimeters. However, researchers noted that electricity consumption doesn't completely describe the network's carbon footprint. It fails to capture the greenhouse gas emissions linked to its computing power, the researchers wrote. The tool marks the latest research produced under the Cambridge Digital Assets Program, CDAP, a research initiative hosted by the CCAF in collaboration with organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, according to a blog post. The initiative is also being conducted in collaboration with a few state financial institutions, such as Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, Invesco, MasterCard, and Visa. The tool also provides energy estimates for Bitcoin and Ethereum that are updated daily. At each network's current rate, the index estimates Ethereum's annualized power consumption as 5.8 gigawatt-hours compared to around 132.2 terawatt-hours for Bitcoin. The energy consumption of blockchain networks has been a contentious topic for years. And the conversation surrounding Bitcoin's carbon footprint has heated over the last month, following an expose on Bitcoin mining by the New York Times and an art piece backed by Greenpeace titled Skull of Satoshi. When Cambridge's electricity index for Bitcoin was released in 2019, Cambridge researchers acknowledged that the measure of Bitcoin's energy use was a best guess, explaining it's hard to measure reliably due to constant fluctuations. Similarly, the artist behind the Skull of Satoshi said the energy consumption conversation surrounding Bitcoin isn't black and white, having engaged in conversations with people who believe Bitcoin mining supports the demand for greener power sources and helps give a purpose to what would be wasted energy. Price prediction: Ethereum price to date is $1,855.48 with a 24-hour trading volume of $41.36 billion, market cap of $223.45 billion, and market dominance of 19.06%. The ETH price decreased -0.61% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 27, 2023 at 0:49, the general Ethereum price prediction sentiment is neutral, with 17 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 15 signaling bearish signals. ETH price prediction was last updated on April 27, 2023 at 0.49. Ethereum key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $1,850.29, Ethereum has support levels of $1,827, $1,786.01, and the strongest at $1,762.71. Similarly, Ethereum resistance levels are at $1,891.28, $1,914.57, and $1,955.56. Ethereum reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $4,867.17, while Ethereum's lowest price was recorded on October 21, 2015 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.420897. The lowest price since its ADH was $897.01, cycle low. The highest ETH price since the last cycle low was $2,136.36, cycle high. The Ethereum price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Ethereum's current circulating supply is 120.43 ETH. The current yearly supply inflation rate is minus 0.09%, meaning minus 105,709 ETH were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Ethereum is currently ranked number 2 in the proof-of-work coin sector, ranked number 1 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, and ranked number 2 in the Layer 1 sector. Ethereum is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 47 days, since March 10, 2023. The price of Ethereum is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 44 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 456 days ago, on January 25, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 9, 2023, which was 76 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Ethereum's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $1,593.21 by May 26, 2023. Ethereum's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $1,958.18 by May 26, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 47.62, which indicates that the ETH market is in a neutral position. According to our current Ethereum price prediction, the value of Ethereum is predicted to rise by 2.93% and reach $1,909.99 by May 1, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Ethereum recorded 16/30ths, 53%, green days with 5.61% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Ethereum forecast, it's now a good time to buy Ethereum. Comparing Ethereum against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Ethereum price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Ethereum price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, ETH price prediction for year 2026 is $40,444 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Ethereum would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $4,639.59. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.